The Phila Bibeto, things that minimum say make some voice networks as in Becao. Aha, say, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia team members nibi abo pass on person with the Abronye Bonnie. Now, this honorable Ken.
Yes.
Menya calls any mekofokra for the Abraham say minimum so you know said that I don't know. And what me picture to say honorable Ken asuma now fast say on threatening or no Abronye. Na it di matem ni ade but unim bibi me mfi no. Adentina me be show na account number. Ska honorable Ken edema me de koto na account mu nyina no. Wentimi amesoso.
And now no or say wo no over on a working as small say be threatening no Abronye no.
Mama for the money tie. Over stress. Over stress.
Bro we have the omonu nsem nyina asa.
No mo message sanga nya we no mbe yo platform ni so. Na e mesre. Adentina me ka say onoken e ma miska de koto na account mu no. Satam do say can say so onoken e chita ni bia na say communicator bia be kasem ne won ho a o fi no onoken na mu no hia no. Adentina satam ni na wama. Na mbisa say kana onoken man de koto na account mu no. No onoken say onfanye dey. Wentimi amechirem emra ode budget ebre me am de ma honorable me de budget no ne bi message account bia beto abonten no odwane ye na op attention na me feel
Dabio Winim who's that no when Abronye no a face to face transaction direct transaction
Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia o em mobo akwa no di na jira o onim no
yes onim no who say wo no evidence na wo de baye no who say first odi ka o se ken kra man sikada o ma
yeah
it's not na adwen ye ne say
me need evidence ni na
wo no sikada we don't have that evidence now wo de the wasn't there we check
yeah
enti utimi nya all these evidences and the baye went to me and challenge went to me anya hwe no ese say o sheda na obeba ka say wo kra no be threaten anane wo to bi kra ka say o threaten wa safo na wo be ka so be threaten wo ai ona wo kra so mo say be di na teme na wo safo
ne ho anika
that is ai obi ba jeke wakwa platform so say I say the ayame dapa ne say almost say loose na ye loose ye no tribal any religion enka ho bi makokwe report no yes tribal any religion enka ho na ye wo so no na ya pull video aba say ai me woni John Dramani Mahama mo ye nodness enti say John was 4 years na Ghana for to abanoma John and no way say Ghana for beto abama not na bio neno no enye tribal politics na also so the reason I yedo ba ye we say we ye kramoni enti no yedo ba to make the difference kramufu nyina nkoto abama and me the baby am kase safo nsiranka yenuanom kramufuo
yeah
yenuanom zongofuo
omudi nokre e ma oman no omudi nokre ma oman no
good omudi nokre e ma Ghana the Muslims the Zongos and the Northerners they are some tribal no matter what they like you so for them to reject Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia that means Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia is not credible. And Adia Emma Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia nim guase. Eye kwanya one ne yire. Efa su gu nkramofu animase. The holy day month of Ramadan. Kramonia ose oye wudi ni sesei. And there no way so obekwa kudi bone. Na mona mo siesem fo na nkramofo di ayi da konkron we na mutimi hwe nyankopon anim mobilizing military from the Jubilee House ekodwiri adan ahodo mako saa edutugu ye ese no kwa na ofi se ala onte ase ana and what's over first lady hey but honorable Ken wife so say your politician oh hey my heard the video
Frank my make am jiro man Christy me say on ma me kwanta me bo bank ni din Bright New Jersey never heard bank na man Christy adwuma ono no deputy director na sika our disburse millions of dollars and trillions of dollars so enye shrine Frank yeah I've not had the message be about me message need us but my really have not that me ba ni na say you are outside the country so how are you going to carry out that action or can Abronye there no ni fella Only fella.
As Abronye no. When you sound as a Ticano. So who did Threát?
No, okay, was state say me US. Was it me na me honorable errand boy. I watch a video now. Was it
when we honorable errand boy.
Errand boy. Na emra honorable who. Yes, kwasa sabu kwa. Yeah. No. Frank. Mama, I'd say we makan, but I'm quetri and a mekan. A be an quetri. Dientia Abronye. Empel Nabuken and the Marshano, and Yamamino. One. Yeah. Of a quati wuyeno. Yes, I was a Kweku Annan if honorable Kweku Annan in the seat no. Or the catcher may say, Yamfa the seat and mano. Na almost yeah. And you can catch him or Bamufa Boakye man ye. I didn't say some name Kanya Wamiano. Of a quatu ye, na yen see of a quache. And Oma Missiano, a ye University of War, you're going to call and Wisconsin. There's another echo Legonetio call Atimota. Oh, Gimpa. O mamisia no Gimpa. Enumere 7 p.m. Se opeso host ball. Satam yensi of Akwache.
Wow.
Se also a Christian. And I say or can say traditionalist. Onfa winkra. Onfa Bible and onfa snap unkra. Na on mienko ensuo bia ono hu se ensuo no gidi bia no Frank Mesenka rotumi ye ready anka kina nkwanka medu Ghana ne enko gina ho
safo
hwe
safo
amon lawyer amodata emi dance ni amofa Boakye emi dance e se ne koya kopie mesotibo udi oni mesotibo sukasa bisan sase mo se esi na se ensi
mate
no pe boiling point a hosti of Kwakye wina ni ensi of Kwakye ano mamisia no Gimpa say with my hosti boiling point na e benya ska from na pattern by no onya hwe mesum nya hwe na NAPO obo NAPO di say NAPO de udi ska bia kosa ode budget bia kosa ode ye party adwuma NAPO de be ma ento no ansa list stations are on be affiliate on be pick boiling point no enti betime nya every month be betime nya be 2 million Ghana cedis e NAPO ho yes, not 2 million Ghana cedis scanner and micron we di ka che dada
yeah
as no program na course no na affiliate ne dos no na NAPO discani bi beka na NAPO de e ban party adwuma ne sa ne mana sika bia obebon bia no ntwi na untu ho na no host program ho no untumi di ne din ekwaji sika ewo NAPO Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ene president ho to mun do say and say we are sorted out and money untumi fall out me on one kasa no kan ba for Abronye nankasa ne mutu yes and the seats amaso boiling point so amaso no onobu Ken eten Abronye nyama onobu Ken na na ma chemu no
afo
opa omiemfa snap enkodina epoa no enne nsu eso na minka no so nka se nyemfa nsu ngum nyemfa ade tia do be survive
asema wo kan Abronye ntimi nyi ne ho ano wo se wo ka se Abronye se MPP baaye yedidi gya no eno ka ho bi wonim sika twitwiri dia wa charge Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia obi ba JK obeje yes
me se minim the tricks nyina wo
oh yes o se ayi miraculous aboaje bra omo no ye campaign miraculous aboaje mo ena omo be di party sika enti se na de party na ko opposition na omo hia no biodi a na e watwa no bo enti no since party ne ba power sika nka ti onya nyina no ena wa charge Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia wa charge omo ena omo atwa sika no e de amana ene oteso a oye we na nka Abronye ye be mai na nka wa ba abonten safo wo se ni safo oboa enye nokore minkoshi dia wo ha account we a wo dia ba beto abonten se o ken ma wo disika tu mu
enye me dia
saka enye me dia na okọ check account no a eye din sei ena wo so enti asimasi no ono so ti ase enti yenkore ti wonim ho hwe enye nokore nanka wayi ya no mako but Abronye ene anu yi bia hwe Abronye wa hu se MPP fo ni misuni ne ba he's very dangerous guy what they suffer after the program memma nkrofo mi enu bi mebo mu dia kire off camera na brana MPP wo power no ye were too strong NDC from you know na omone Abronye dis na ete eda Agyarko sore edidi na sa nipa no wa hunu me body dia ho bedwiru na the way a onya MPP a osi s omone evidences what the Bible say
Frank answer na beto so kwa Frank answer na beto mo misa Abronye say o you new Vodafone number bi why not this number the man me na me mo be from Vodafone office and I call register number the man wo fie mo mfa ne ho ma
yes it is afo na de Abronye yen say o leak information from NPP na o de ama NDC for no na wajiska
okay osia asemo so meka se meboa adenta MP Mohammed Ramadan Samira Ninia Bema na oye NDC ni MP o Madina no wesia no anase onsia no wajiska on wo so mfa nkoye duma anase on jiska so mfa no nkoye duma wajiska eze duma na onfa nkoye they see say asema munim do mu denti a omo ye sa nyina nse ose NDC for President John Dramani Mahama onimu hwe eye NDC for ni bi omhunu say omo presidential ambition so in 2028 send people for president honorable Kenna obeko 8 years who the honorable Ken and that person from NDC bar obey lose election no but so honorable Kenna ma any person didn't be from NPP be an NDC be winning so on no this contract na mano and or spending so I say on bad discredit honorable Ken na we be go honorable Ken and mas and so be bad discredit say honorable Ken we I may say lady be or GRE oba cancer dialogue or no so ja girl with me yadano na me frɛ of can be bon di kra asama lady catch me say auntie safo pa how me uti nti obema mbema we na de mame asama lady ka ba ko so ne ko honorable Ken Hof good debi na me de ne ko honorable Ken Hofi ene hu lady bi wo independent me say in the World Trade Center bus up ho na lady bi gina ho eno ma me Jane lady number man lady ne friend Joan o de nyambo chame free lady no Oh, eniama we. Frank Yankwa and cancer.
Abronye no na yere no minim so hu adrogu na nisu minim se use lobby fo no mo tu nuru pa Sammy lobby fo no mo ana no musi atakwa hu atakwa medan
yeah
omo ana no musi nti omo di nuru pa minim se no bi na ode ye na yere no nka Asante ni ba oba hu ofe so no pa se de nkenye ne type na Abronye because Asante fo ni ndwom ana omo so mo mpa de fo now Safo.
Yeah, Frank.
Bra, Abronye DC. Obedi di wana boke na Japan atem no. And nesa DC. For no munyina mo political appointment. Bako okuposti no on Facebook was say. Ensa abwa wo pen no. Yen kasenti ano. Or through that short the my Abronye because then time no Ken Japan and Abronye because NDC for me no na omo think na omo neighbor bit no na Abronye na ehwe omo no na Abronye gi sika no free Ken Japan because Ken Japan na against Abronye ye MPP ni enti sa NDC for no and there no way say they will speak against Ken Japan because na omunim emwa na Ken Japan de boa Abronye no eno na ema na so won so se me bo mu di kira ho bedwiri enti na very fortunate me de guys na baako ne ge no ye madam for pa na ori no
madam for pa no exchere say
oh madam for pa me no ko nakra na
oh sir
oh yeah na me no very close
enye dia medwene na enye dia be ko dwene na
oh David abe ku de papa de David abe ku de so ba dwene adwem wona ba da enye no bia
oh okay
oh yeah na me was some tight friends who say we been back ya hwa ayi ye kwa campaign kran there are some e man kura bia ho na me no mu na na the same hotel
oh okay Odem Judy.
Oh yeah. Oh mene ntipe kura na office me yire no na am so David. Mene ono nyina one room one bed na ye da ho. So nti omo so no omo de when it comes to information ne fella there omo de nyina simple na omo de ama me fe. Eti kwa mbafo Abronye de na ohwe kwanya kwa mbafo Abronye efa so edi Ken Japan abro ewo sunyane ene bono ne ahafoa ehona musa kwa no a very wicked man, very wicked guy. And obia na even emraman kwanse manento aba kwa mbafo Abronye e de nipa we e se da kosi abobo ya for nipa no so no owiska kakra. Then nobody was expecting him say obefa abobo ya o man fa sa pragia bi ana o share no nose mask ana o share no che squad na mo so say o mo man kon koto no o mo ni ba mo so na Abronye na akwa koto abada wi o kod krada da Abronye no ne so ne na wi ana ebo no ba mesa fo me de me say Ken Japan nyame
oh yeah ye no time kra say betina hai asama if you akaye dia maka dia okay ono boken ye di no adanse so mo obi a on betena se a di Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ho adanse.
That is it. Wow, ye di Ken Japan ho adanse ye say Ken Japan ayese Ken Japan ayese enti no wo de mo so no munni Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ho adanse enye second chance so wo per second chance de a ene ye papa adonche bi a wo nanka wako na asore na wa mo second chance
and Net2 cry telenovela bi na friend second chance.
That is it.
Yeah.
But Ghana second chance that ye chaskele ye bo chaskele o my Ghana amanfo ekra no amanfo akoma ne nipa ye daache na ye mfam be mo second chance ya ma first chance dia wo ye wo ka kire ye sese wo ye how no ya ma ne ya Obe president ade na obe ye. Na wo kwatere kwaso obe ma wo ntoma ye ntie ni din. Said ye nya agidie wo mu even just dollar alone ka wo ba ye dwumadi a de hye wo nsa pa ne se obe ma ye currency no na ho oden akosoro wo de nka ye no nko a wo ba bibia wanum treye wache dollar e de na hye agp bottom wa lock ne de na hye yi ene dollar break again said Dr. Like Mahamadu Bawumia a good citizen nanka ene kwan
anase a good party person.
Good party person.
And as if you call election grand frank, oh there some can say you to me even 46 and 47% kwana. Like I don't think it could be able to contest no.
Dabi.
Oh, go here near good end to say we say in some second chance. Second chance, you took when they second chance. You know more the money amount second chance.
Say ye penokura paka. Niema ye jina soa. Ye Dr. Like Mahamadu Bawumia baye no. Said ye na party no kura ni sinto tie. Na ye fi se ni sinto no. Dr. Like Mahamadu Bawumia ne betimi apagyamu no. Enei de ye wono mpo no aboye. Se nanka de ye wono mpo nanka ye maintain no anka ye. Se de ye wo aboye se safo Asante region da ba biya ya na me kaya na me yema hyeme. Wan hwa our only stronghold safo e be free ensa. Asante region our only stronghold because of Dr. Like Mahamadu Bawumia e be free ensa. Na MPP for Asante region is the regional even say omutumi epie beto aba Asante region alone any some be a 1 or 2 be it me MPP we ni power na yetimi atena sia yenhwe ha ama NDC dominate yenhwe first time in history the rate at which NDC is dominating in Ashanti region NDC party nanka yeka NDC party dia nyakono NDC party ye atufrafo party NDC party ye mkokurafo party ene hwemrante ne mabaawa omo anya gidie sonko NDC party yes fm
so unim so do honorable Kenna asema me kan twa sa video me be asema me be kan record this as pathway na share e platform so no bi anya de intie honorable honorable you are the problems ba honorable Ken was say honorable Ken in manisika wa mana o Kojo ne Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia obe campaign manager no se me kama woni pakro so hu wate mommy na so de about pare answer me bom wunya me bom nse mamo sa papa no ono ye one na former chief executive B sisi our MP Eastern region Ekuapem monso mon fa di mame no a former chief executive one of the state institutions me no ka say oni loyal ladies a man baako awo edna kwatena UK ena ono so te ho ena oto emane honorable Ken obi aya de owa hene o say Sammy oku ena Abronye ya ode party communicator sika wasa na esrim during national elections on SS or say former vice president Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ni aide don't akọba fi be accuse ni say or the party communicators sika awasa na esrim during I can say before and during elections, national elections, that's 2024 elections, no. Say miracles abwaje, yes. Ena empenophobia eka ho. Na wonim de omaye. Omo say and I pour my bone name omo be ne say. On say delegate congress no omo be na say congress no omo be no, right? Omo say ma obi an say party ata especially the candidates to say honorable Ken echita for mo bi an say honorable Ken t-shirt emma ho emrap national executive dia ban say mo bi an say candidate bi ata de emfam ho and san kofo ya mebo mu di opare ansa Sammy oku miracles abwaje ene kofo bi om keka ho amedi om din batu dwa later o man kasa ko print honorable Ken t-shirt say om de be man kofo ahye edi aba program nasi abaye basabasa ho na yakase honorable Ken nkofo abaye basabasa ho na moye mema nsine obia o moye smart nsine obia o munim nyansa nsine obia o mutimi tenase ebo sa apon na nka sa adwen a mofa yi na wo senka mode kɔ aye ablekuma north for elections I koye no just last week no nanka osanka modi munyansa ma ho odene monim de e plane etimi e kwaje saa seat no ma NPP party no nanso mo anye nemum ona wo kana mo pese mo se no enti e opare ansa Sammy oku e na miracles aboaje ene nkofo bi o mo ka ho na onim asem wede bia me kan na me de wasa ba Sammy oku ye Abronye trim na me mpese me kan bibi o Sammy oku but dia oye no eba ne se na Sammy oku ani kodua enkasa mo record ya na mo fansa ni Sammy oku mame wa bo Sammy oku namba no eba ne se na Sammy oku ani kodua enkasa ede na aba mo ntem na hu kosam Sammy oku ni NPP National Secretary anase General Secretary Justin Fripon kodua omote ado ahoma so den na nye nne na sha ase o o sha ase na MPP o power e ba ne sai ena sa amranti mienu yi omote ado ahoma so mo nkasa ayi oba ho enti na mo nkasa ana den hunti na mo nkasa na oba na ofri he owo he Mr. Sana show we end no. The revelations be brave baba. Yeah, the revelations be pre ebeba. Say ahunto ofie. Na mo mpa ahunto on mo ahunto so mama ho dia. Hene e say akora o man ma me na no. Ben transen ye dey. Empaneto na yentie eye asem a eye creed ne ko audio etna wontumi me pese me bo video no but me bebo audio na ma obi anya bi ate me ka creed ne ko audio a multi voices na mo behu eye creed ne ko audio kra me ka ne ho asem e wo wontumi TV so omo de nsem bi atodwa na yentie ya creed no kojo ensema mo kan no ya ba de aka nyina beto so.
There's a total grand scheme against the leadership of the party. With Dr. Bawumia as target, the ultimate target. And they want to use the leadership as a conduit. You break it down leadership. So that you bedroom Dr. Bawumia we can why make it. But Dr. Bawumia this okumi ensu ansa no ko share Agyapong. Maybe I was channel. Hey, well, my grand scheme no. Me am near be a friend guy G. One or two stories be a man of Boakye Agyapong. And yes, it's be any. And what try JB by was in the opinion. Ewo enema ekoso na was started from no peace no one was started from Akufo Addo na aba ne Akufo si enye meeting ye mfre no eno we make reference to that video no doctored video no Oriel was at the bar na Akufo Addo so
aha mamuti mo fa doctored video no the word doctored no mo jot into o mame
so na Akufo Addo so say meeting no so yentwi kwa achi o say na ye ntro Oriel was the same piece no Oriel was dey Big Joe Gatti and Gatti at the no so and what you be dead a year Oriel was saying selfishness being Ejina sani ma wini na ekoso. Na the ekoso ni na pointed to a certain you say any pe pa require interest in tea. And now moye sani ma wini na. Now about the time when the ni na yellow crack. Eti I say ya hu nipa ko or selfish interest.
Yes. I don't know.
And
Dram, the catcher must say, maybe so question be said. A Bribena, Brian Champon, Honorable Brian Champon, echo President Kufo.
Munti hasuye mami. Enyame pa. Asama eye kojo ebisa eye kredi no. Enyame pa. Munti ha mami.
Minim dakro.
Ache before say obey that intention credit. Oh, in fact, radiate a patriotic institute. Okoho a week, 2 weeks before the patriotic institute. So really, yes. It's your watch it.
And he said, Obi, Honorable Brian Champon, young fan so call former President Kojo Kyeremanteng 2 months ni. 2 months no na acheno. 2 months no ena acheno. Na yembia e den ma Honorable Brian Champon team this video we beto abonten. Ana mo yeduma ma Honorable Ken. Na gaji no kan obi. Honorable Ken no camera na Champon ana on the craft phone ana camera. E ko video ta on former President Kufo conversation no. Na yebeye Prime Minister Mokosra former President Kufo. Mo an ko dem fa ma meto abonten say former President Kufo I endorse Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. And the sana mo heli. So say Brian Champon so call honorable former President Kufo ho. No no kan ni udie etre na video no ba bonten dia we say hey na mo de yentie ye wi a de ho bia de betu dia ye be me se ye be panko fo hontuma
general me bis lukra me bisas adenti na bibia NDC fo ho be kire mo no na enkrofo bi wo MPP mu ni had bibia ba bonten na a generate a confusion in the MPP na NDC fo afọ mo edi enti yakọ Ablekumanov Friday Ama Blekmano for abo MPP for botro. NDC for abo MPP for botro. Ama anka Monday ba yi eno na ebe take center stage. Na ya keka bia gu omo so ama obi ehun say NDC for nipa bone for. Na ni kwasi ada ni akwa kotwitwa President Kufo ayi na siani. Ni ya trigger ni da twin.
General you me busa no Ghana page. Kwa mo na e disa ade le bai.
Eti pa na misa Enti nipa no odi video de bae no e dey no person achieve is it say o person DC for no hoto mu ana say o agenda fufuru bi because between one and me
menye so person DC for hoto o person what party no
and me who say party ni say yintia na onim e me ya some person ma kodua e look say o ye weak you see and
on sama amoti amuka. Enti se Brian Champon eko honorable can say former President Kufo na video beto abonten a na se gaji eko ka bia se video na aba na na kwetwere fa ho a e den na ma gaji e be nipa bone na mo se tape no doctored se munim nyansa na munim doctored tape a e ba ne se na mutimi tenase e ka se honorable Ken e didi former President Akufo Addo atem mutimi de tena studio ka Timika say for Honorable Ken Agyapong edidi NPP party mpanifo ne NPP party fo nyina atem. Eno de mo hu say eye ekofo twitwa baabi enom de sisi ani. Eno de mo hu say doctored. Na we na egu party no anim ase ana say gu ede national executive no credibility etonsan yemu de mo gitum say doctored. Na munyuma ena be kire da musuban etie. Yankotie eye Honorable Ken asembi okan the 6 show so one Kweku Annan. Na ntie ensem a NPP fo na nkasa e fa asasem wi. E de bo Honorable Ken achi. Yankotie ye ba e beto aso.
Na NPP fo obo Kofi Job no makoma enam ntie de yi. Port Kofi Job. And to call one Kyeremanteng Agyarko eku wo airport. Kumasi yes, Kumasi airport. Etimi kachira Agyarko se mu MPP mu baden and ma power na nadu nanim hunhun sa na no sorry I'm quoting the exact words because shame before first class when we allow this idiot to take over Asante region rose nyina o say na Akufo Addo sorry me patriot ye wasi Nana Akufo Addo ni patantaya na no ebu egu ma wo de ma kugura nkura na esoro befom. What? How can you give job to this guy? How? Na MPP for obo Kofi Job anu makoma et enam tie di ye what Kofi Job and to call one nick
on say asem ni mo odu nti honorable Ken Edube was say me pato sorry o Nana Akufo Addo because asem no is not coming from any honorable Ken. It's coming from Kofi Job. Our name Kyeremanteng Agyarko. Satam no wu ye. Boakye Agyarko no wu ye no. Ekokun Okumas airport. And someone no Kofi Job eka wo Nana Akufo Addo ho no. No can bet na Net2 TV so. Kan sama guy no aka o President Akufo Addo yet MPP for buomani go so. This Asante region rose in the man. And so no can ebe kan sansem we no. Eye creed no Kojo. Any assume sin for say honorable Ken edidi former president former president Akufo Addo atem. Say na no abog na no sonsuo. Video ya na say esem a honorable Ken. Emo die na o ka say me na me say. Emo die no honorable Ken ka say me na me say. And so what betna radio ni TV so a different NPP party, a different Nana Akufo Addo no. A general to control 10 cents of Kennedy Agyapong. A general so attract 10 cents of Kennedy Agyapong. On the Yawono, Onye Nipa, Onfre Busuam, Onye party ba. Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia kwano e party ni. Enti ono de ye boni dia o se sorry. Ono de onye boni o party ni mu. Ono de o ekrogen. Ono de o ekrogen. Ono Ken de sabi nanimo o harenti. Nye pa ni free duam. Se onye hwe ma MPP party ni nti ono de bibia fa no de aye ni tu aguso. Na se munim nyansa untie eye 3 seconds and even 5 seconds and 10 seconds 20 30 seconds audio and say video. Na unfa ndina so unfa njaji ni pakro. We de fa egu party no mas na kotia niema party for no and as national executive no in favor of Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. That's the former president Kufo Kokasa ye bibia yen kanche nese or kokandia and they adopted. Now no can there multimiti na bebia mode na mafa na mo security. So did the party for them or the former president Akufo Addo attempt. Meanwhile, this is the exact words honorable Ken you see here. One can say or say it's not because somebody will more do here time. Was sorry Nanado or you timid in Saturn and say no patch because of some of Job kind or repeat. Ninatino, baby or sorry to Nana Akufo Addo, baby or cats of Job singing and more yefrio. Namasen or Nama say Nanado and otchere Anna into Udi Merk Gumana and so go. And so he was saying, say, and some Kofi Job a catcher Boakye Agyarko Okumas airport. We Juma. We Juma. A bida Omada Sumyaso. Sana a year a drew vetting time. National neck for a book full honorable Ken. Because Echo video at Children's almost say honorable Ken ADD NPP for them. And Uncle Boss short video now honorable Ken ADD NPP for them. No. You know, say I tape no, I didn't more full tape. So provide this full tape new way, you know, and some no mini honorable Ken no. Because yam crank beka and some more than the kind no. Near him say net here. So say NPP party for nasa who we are say no be beka some chere, be bo tape chere, be bo audio chere wa, and no be bo video chere wa. Bisane say program na nipani and as a conversation or have you know or have you 1 minute conversation and I say a program no your national television so. Now you be one about national television so and as a radio station be a program for 1 minute. So pe no kre etie open no kre ehu a quality for full tape netie unya full tape netie and be mo make you decision ehun se nipa no odi obi atem anase de opese ohun wo hwe full tape na obehu ontena se enya kwadworo emfa online ensan se wo dem refam no be me bo short video bi anase short audio bi mfa ma na mfa ngina so ema obi hu enya wabufu mfa ngina so ema obi hu enya dai enya wabufu na honorable Ken oye party ni oye NPP ni menye so bia bre party ni mo se honorable Ken minim o sengonya o printed t-shirt stickers odna ho den campaign keep fit organize o sadin sika e support party no e den biem na o sa honorable Ken eyema NPP party anza ma hu say nipa so masi wa bre party no e den mo dem kan kire asomasi ni nua any team mo ma kan kire yen se nima honorable Ken ayama NPP party se ondo NPP party na mo hu se ondo NPP party a e den na mo pese oye ansa mo se honorable Ken edo party no na ubi etimi ede no wedie eyi kwan na onde onfa so bi nemum oho otimi befa so ede a asemsebe so honorable Ken anyini ti so be pre flag bearership position ni bia na nke enim some before echini sa especially national executive fund there yan say oma ono akasa abo bit se kodua me se me ni Hopeson the friend me na me no Hopeson eso ono kodua sade no come honorable Ken enso ene me say Sammy oku den na wo Sammy oku ni Justin Frimpong kodua ntem oba ba enti eno mo mienu omo ya aka omo obi ampe ne nyonko ni mahwe oba ba ya the other national executive na also oba de mebo ni dimba me mo ne phone because wa ware se ntimi me emmegu oba na ware na the other national executive now also Akufo Akuya eto ofie ma no eto ka ma na 3 months pepe oba no ware be ma foforo no so hwe ho ye now de ho ba udin beto abetodwa and me wa fie ni pictures if you na auto ma Akuya any kind auto nya me wo pictures ni video I can say of the car and the house nyina me wo oba no say document abeka ni sa ani din bo mu pe 3 months no ba no ware be ma foforo and so we call election first time I call election honorable Ken eboa now nehwe eso obey national executive no national executive you amoka say because na MPP wa power ntino na munyeska by heart anyamo na mkoji ska from Jubilee House to MPP headquarters mko neska na shorty ebisa won ska na ye de ma mankan anyamo a mo se mo per re-election ebe de brutal sani akon dia ebe the campaign no ebe de papa I can say Kimpulo Bakwame no slogan no as honorable Ken campaign ebe de papa na me more videos every time Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ebe ko president ko fo bia no mo circulate pictures ni videos eba ne say na honorable Brian Agyapong and I said Dr. Brian Agyapong ekọ president ko fo ho na Tim Ken ebe post video madwene ho say eba ne say na eye Dr. Brian Agyapong oni ni team because akosra former president Kufo na video abobontin na mode video no ebe share Tim Ken na dia na mesren say omo claim say video no eba ekra be 2 weeks ni say here 1 week say 2 weeks former president Kufo enye obi a NPP betimi abopo without him So in the first place, national executives neck for any current national executives no. What department hwamo, what former president Akufo hwamo. Na mo timi come meeting, na mo frɛ Abronye no mo. Untumi no mo, edo mo input ba. Na former president Akufo ye twa naja. Na mo munya akokuduro ebetena ho, esemba be mo be ye den, mo be discredit Tim Ken Annan as a guy G.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.